Hello guys, this is Leonardo here from Analytical Trader. In this video I want to explain my trading setup basically. So what I do when I open a chart, I first zoom out the chart. This is the first thing that I do, and try to find the trend line. It's okay if there is no trend line. If there isn't, you just don't draw any. But I try to find a trend line with 3 touches. So here it was already drawn. It was this one touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, and now we have the fourth touch. But here it was activated already. You can see here prices reverted to the trend line, which often happens. So and then I have the alert system, analytical VSA trader, and I have the supports resistance indicator, spread indicator, which is this information here, and the volumes, of course. So I want to show the settings of this indicator. I leave the default settings for the most part. I just change this part, which is I open a hourly chart to trade intraday. I open a hourly chart and set alerts M15 to true until alerts H4 to true. So I'll get alerts on all of these time frames. And then you also have to come here and set this to true. This is for supports and resistance alerts. This includes breakouts, and when prices are near a support or a resistance, then trend lines choose this to true too, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so when we got all this set up, you can see here I got an alert because moving average is up. This is actually the moving average turn here on H4. But here I also got, not on this bar, but on the previous bar, I got an alert of a nearby trend line, which is appropriate. Trend line is here. And but what I'd like to see here is for prices to come down a bit. Prices are on an up wave now, so avoid buying on an up wave. Always buy when prices are on a down wave, because it will often reverse against you. And I can show you other charts I have here. This is the pound New Zealand dollar. This is a recent trade that I did, a long trade. What I did here is that I can explain it. We had a resistance here on this level. Now it's broken, but at the time it was broken right there. It was broken here, but then prices went kind of sideways and come here again. That's when I got the alert, because prices were near a previous broken resistance. So since I had a strong signal, major demand, and the background was strong too, because there is no signs of distribution here, just supply, which is mostly absorption supply. This is because there are locked in traders selling here. So it was fine. I bought it and had kind of a quick profit in a few hours. I exit on the weak signal here, the supply signal, and then it reversed again, and now the smart money is bought more here. This is something you see many times in this type of cases, because what happens here is that many people see a breakout and they trade it immediately. They just go long here. They go long, and where do they place the stop loss? Just below the broken resistance. So what we have here, it's called the shakeout. This is to get all those stop losses that were placed here. All those stop losses will get hit, and when those stop losses are hit, something is buying. So when the stop loss is hit, that trader is selling, is because he's long, and the smart money is buying here. This is just to get stops, and prices even went lower here. This really got a lot of stop losses. So yeah, this is a bullish. This is definitely a bullish indication. I just wouldn't trade this now because this is on a trading range now between this line and this one, and the prices are just going sideways. And this will be a good buy if prices were here near this lower line. Now it's just on the middle of the trading range. Anything can happen. The accumulation can go on, and prices will go down, or maybe a trend will emerge finally. I also want to speak of the number of charts that I have open. I have about 20 something charts, and I apply all these same settings on all of them. So I draw the trend lines, apply that template there, and this is my trading station basically. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you.